Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, July 1st. I have a couple of live trading videos, and in these videos I want to demonstrate several things. One is that the core levels are really reliable as targets. Two, that the Autotrader is an excellent tool for trade execution. And in all of these videos, there's three different live trading videos. I use the BWT Autotrader in hybrid mode, which is basically I have a template here that sets your targets, but I may have used the buy add button to add contracts. I may have used the horizontal trend line, which is this right here, and the trail stop button. So all those features make the Autotrader a really awesome tool, and I rely on it heavily. I wouldn't trade without it. The third thing I want to show is that the BWT trend indicator, which has been around since 2007, is very reliable as a point of entry, if nothing else. And I'm going to show you how I use this in conjunction with the core levels and the Autotrader and tie it all together. So first I want to point out the accuracy of the core levels. This is in the first hour between the buy zone and the sell zone here. And then the first goal to the expected low here, the red bars, and then down to the extended low here, which is the magenta line, and then up to the low mid 2, and then a test of the extended low, and so on, bouncing off the core levels, coming all the way up to the low mid 1. In entering using the trend indicator, if you miss the first bar on the 1-minute chart, I have the BWT MA convergence. On the 3-minute chart, I have it just consolidated to the 9 and the 18 to simplify it. But here, notice in this downtrend on the 1 minute, this pullback to the averages. If you miss the first entry, it's your first pullback to the averages that you can enter if you miss the first bar. And there's many opportunities, all these pullbacks to the averages right here. And then as you made the transition, if you missed this first bar, the first pullback to the average was right here. And these are all excellent possibilities. So the BWT trend indicator here providing excellent opportunities for entries. If you watch this MA convergence average enough, you will get in tune to when the averages converge and when they're trending like this. So in the live videos, these ellipses are points where I took trades early on. And of course, this pullback, you can see it made it all the way to the extended low, which I called out in one of the videos. And then there was another video where a trade was taken later in the day around the 15:45 level time, as one of my favorite times to trade is in the last hour, and you can see why. There's expanded volatility here. So starting at in the 3 o'clock hour, once again the trend indicator here, excellent signals here, and then this is where I took this trade into the close on this chart here. Anyway, our tools are second to none, and in the interest of keeping the video down, let's take a look at the live trading videos. There is no I'm recording audio for this session as I didn't record it when I made the video, but as you can see, I took the breakout here and I did get the first blue bar, and I set my targets a little bit shy of the sell zone that I was looking for. The extended low actually is what I was looking for, and right here I'm putting in the core indicators so you can see where everything is. But anyway, here's the expected low, not the extended low. But I'm looking for it to go to the expected low, but I settled for something just shy of that, actually. By the way, all these trades are speeded up to save time in the video. So I took one contract off. I added a contract using the buy add button, added 2 contracts, took one off, All right, that first level is hit. And price did eventually go to the expected low and far beyond, but it came up here, and you'll see what happened. All right, I basically trail stopped out of the trade. All right, I think this is going to come down to low mid 2. I'm going to put my target way down here. Exited the trade, and indeed it came down to low mid 2. Okay, this is the third chart. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I think this is going to come up perhaps to the expected low. So I'm going to move this up here. All right, so I close the position here, and I'm going to go long again if it gets above here. Okay, that's it. Still probably going to go higher.